viewers, welcome back to my another video. In my previous video I discussed about library functions and header files. That was part 1. In this video I am going to discuss briefly about string with solving questions. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. So what is string? String is a one-dimensional array of characters that is capable of holding a string at a time. To understand a string, see the variable declaration. That means the variable s is a string that is capable of holding 10 characters. Note that all strings must end with a null character. Also be noted down that if the length of the string is 10 characters longer, then don't forget to make extra room for null characters. See the example. Here S1 is a string that is capable of holding 10 characters. The word program holds 9 characters. But all string must end with a null character. So ensure an extra room for the null character. As the S1 string has 9 characters, thus I take 10. You can take any value longer than 9. The most commonly used string functions are strlen, that is known as string length, strcpy, known as string copy, strcat, known as string concatenation. Note, to use these functions you must have to include string.h header file. The syntax for string length is like this. Length equal strlen first bracket name of the string variable. The syntax for string copy is like this. strcpy, put a first bracket and in the first bracket to the destination string comma from source string. For string concatenation, the syntax is like this. strcat, put a first bracket and in the first bracket put the first string comma and then the second string. Now I am going to discuss these functions briefly with solving questions. Open your code block, create a new project, console application, select C, give a project title. Click on sources, double click on main.c. Firstly, include stdio.h and string.h header files. You also can include other header files, but you must have to include stdio.h and string.h header files. So include stdio.h header file and include string.h header file. Take the main function int main in the main function. First, declare the string name with data type. As string is a character type data, so write down char and then the string variable name as your wish. I want to find out the string length, so I need a variable to store the string length. But length is an integer type data, so declare a int variable to store the length. Now use string length function to find out the string length. L equal strlen, put a first bracket, and in the first bracket put the string name str1. Now print the value of string length. The length of the string str1 is %d. Why I use %d? Because my data type is integer. Put a comma and put the length variable where string length will be stored. Now build. Okay, here is a mistake. N. Now build and run the program. The length of the string is 4. Hope you understand how to find out the string length using strlen function. Let's see an example about string copy. Firstly, include stdio.h and string.h header file. Take the main function int main. Declare the data type and variables char str1. This is my source file which will be copied. Now I need another string where the source string will be copied. Put a value greater than the number of characters. Now use the string copy function. Put the string name where to be copied, comma, put the string name which will be copied. That means string 1 will be copied to string 2. Now print this. Put %s to display string, then comma, then put str2. Build and run the program. See that string 1 is copied to string 2. Hope you understand. Let's see an example of string concatenation. Include stdoi.h header file, include string.h header file. Take the main function. In the main function, declare the strings with data type. Now use string concatenation function. String concatenation used to add two strings. Here string 2 will add with string 1. Now print this. In the first bracket put the first string used in string concatenation. Now build and run this program. Here Ahmed concatenate to Raju. Let's see what happens exchanging the strings. Build and run. Here Raju Ahmed is also exchanged to Ahmed Raju. Hope you understand string concatenation. Viewers, if you have any question, then drop the question in the comment box. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. Like, comment and share the video. Thanks for watching.